Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Jenn-Air refrigerator door gasket. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the instruction sheet and the new refrigerator door gasket. The refrigerator door gasket seals the refrigerator door. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged, letting the cold air out, causing the compressor to run longer. There's a door gasket on each refrigerator door. They're both changed out the same way. All you have to do is open up the door that has the damaged door gasket. Once you have the door open, we can just pull the refrigerator door gasket off. It's just pressed into a channel, goes all the way around the door. Once you have it started, just need to go around the door and pull it out. Once you have it free, you can pull the refrigerator door gasket off the refrigerator. Here's the old refrigerator door gasket next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Remember, you want to look over the instructions. If the gasket has a lot of kinks in it, you can lay it out to help the creases come out. You can also use a hair dryer and heat up the gasket to work out the creases. You want to make sure you keep the hair dryer at least 1 to 4 inches away so you don't damage anything. Once you're ready, you can put it in. To put the door gasket on, all you have to do is set it in place, and then you want to make sure that you have these tabs on the outside, on the top and the bottom. Then we can line it up and push it into the channel. Once you have it started, you can go all the way around the door. Once you have it in, you can just go around again and make sure you have all the corners in and everything seated properly. Once you have it in, if you have any creases left that you don't think are going to seal properly, you can take your heat source and heat up the gasket. You just want to make sure you stay 1 to 4 inches away so you don't melt the gasket or the liner. Once you have all the creases worked out, you can close the refrigerator door, plug it back in, and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.